Hey there! In this video tutorial, we're going to cover how to record a screen recording using the Potion Chrome extension. From anywhere in your Chrome browser, you'll be able to find the extension in the top right by clicking the puzzle piece and locating the Potion extension. Or, if you have it pinned like me, you'll be able to access the extension by clicking the Potion logo in the top right. That will then prompt you for your 4 video options, and what we're looking to do today is do a screen recording video. So we'll click Start Recording here. Now you'll notice that my camera is populated in the bottom left corner, and I have the opportunity to select the screen or the tab which I would like to use. So in this point, I'm going to use this whole screen just so you can see everything. We'll click Share, and now it's going to give me the 3, 2, 1 countdown, and it will start recording. Now that I'm here, I can click through and do the things that I want to do and show my prospect whatever it is I'm looking to show them in this video. And then once I'm done, I will click Stop and Save. And then, similar to any other recording, it's going to pop me into a new window where I'm going to be able to start doing those aesthetic changes like the video title, changing the layout, adding buttons, as well as adding my calendar link and any other things that I wish to do in order to make my video as personalized as I need it to be for that recipient. For more video tutorials, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.